Welcome back to our channel, crypto enthusiasts. Before we embark on a deep dive into the intriguing world of Solana, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts on the crypto revolution in the comments. Your support helps us bring you the most up-to-date, relevant content in the crypto sphere. Ready to explore Solana? Let's get started. Is Solana the next big thing in crypto? We'll be discussing the current state of affairs, including the latest Bitcoin update, and how the surge of more crypto online is revolutionizing the financial landscape. We'll touch topics such as altcoins, Bitcoin ETFs, and even throw some Bitcoin price predictions. If you're intrigued, let's delve into the world of Solana. USA thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. But first, what exactly is Solana? It's a question buzzing in the minds of many, so let's unravel the mystery. Solana is a high-performance cryptocurrency blockchain, one that's been making waves in the crypto market. It's known for its speed and scalability, promising an impressive 50,000 transactions per second, dwarfing Bitcoin and Ethereum's capabilities. Fundamentally different from Bitcoin, Solana uses a unique consensus algorithm called proof of history. This enables faster, more efficient transactions, which could be a game changer in the crypto world. And when compared with Ethereum, it stands out with its lower transaction costs, addressing a significant pain point for many Ethereum users. Solana's potential benefits over other altcoins are clear: speed, scalability, and affordability. Its technology is innovative and its potential is enormous. Now that we understand what Solana is, let's dive into the recent trends and events concerning this rising star in the crypto universe. In recent news, Solana has been making waves in the crypto market. This high-performance blockchain has been turning heads with its fast and secure platform, showing that it's more than just another altcoin. Let's talk about some of the events that have put Solana in the spotlight. First off, its price movements. Solana's value has been on a steady upward climb, giving Bitcoin and Ethereum a run for their money. This is not just a random Bitcoin pump, it's a testament to Solana's potential. Another significant event is Solana's partnerships. Companies are starting to recognize its potential, leading to some intriguing collaborations. For instance, Solana's integration with platforms like Serum, a decentralized exchange, shows its utility in real-world applications. Now, onto technological developments. Solana's unique architecture allows for high-speed transactions, with the ability to handle 50,000 transactions per second. That's a staggering number, especially when compared to Bitcoin's 7 and Ethereum's 15 transactions per second. This has led to a surge in interest, with more crypto online platforms integrating Solana into their operations. The impact of Solana on the crypto market has been substantial. Its rise has sparked a renewed interest in altcoins, leading to speculations about the next best altcoins to invest in. It's also influenced the Bitcoin price prediction, with experts believing that the success of altcoins like Solana could help drive Bitcoin's price even higher. Solana's growth has not been without its challenges. Recent events such as the temporary network halt have led to discussions about its reliability. However, these events have also sparked conversations about how the crypto market can improve and evolve. Of course, it's not all been about Solana. There's been a flurry of other cryptocurrency news, from the approval of the first Bitcoin ETF to the latest Ethereum news. But Solana's rise has undeniably been a standout event. Clearly, Solana is not just another altcoin. Its recent developments and growing popularity suggest that it could be a game changer in the world of crypto. So for anyone pondering how to make money online, keep an eye on Solana. Its journey is just getting started. So what does the future hold for Solana? With the crypto market's ever-evolving landscape, predicting the future can be a challenging task. But given Solana's impressive performance and unique features, there's a growing belief that it could become one of the best altcoins. Let's take the Bitcoin price prediction as an example. Bitcoin, the granddaddy of cryptocurrencies, had a humble beginning, much like Solana, but it has since grown to be a dominant force in the crypto market. Some experts believe that Solana, with its high scalability and low transaction costs, could follow a similar trajectory. However, it's not all rosy for Solana. The world of crypto is filled with unforeseen challenges and potential pitfalls. Just like the Bitcoin pump and the subsequent crypto crash, Solana could face its fair share of trials. A sudden shift in market sentiment or a significant technological glitch could pose serious risks. Moreover, the competition is stiff. Other altcoins are also vying for the top spot. And let's not forget the Ethereum news. Ethereum is constantly updating its technology to stay ahead, and it remains a formidable contender. Yet despite these challenges, the future of Solana seems promising. Its potential to handle more crypto online transactions and provide a seamless user experience could be a game changer. While the future of Solana seems promising, only time will tell if it will indeed become the next big thing in crypto. Solana's rise in the crypto market cannot be ignored. This blockchain platform has shown us a promising glimpse of the future, with its high speed and low cost making it an attractive alternative to established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've covered the fundamentals of Solana, its recent events and trends, and speculation on its future. We've seen how the crypto market is constantly evolving, with altcoins like Solana challenging the status quo. We've discussed the potential impact of Solana on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and how it could revolutionize the way we view cryptocurrencies. Whether you're looking for the best altcoins, tracking Bitcoin price predictions, or simply staying abreast of the latest crypto news, Solana is a name that should be on your radar. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you, our crypto enthusiasts. Did this deep dive into Solana pique your interest? Do you think Solana has the potential to disrupt the crypto market? Or perhaps you have some reservations? Whatever your thoughts, we're eager to hear them. Remember, the cryptocurrency landscape is shaped not only by the technology behind it, but also by the people who engage with it. That's you. So let's continue the conversation in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this journey into Solana and want to stay updated on the latest in the crypto world, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more comprehensive and timely content your way. And finally, if you believe Solana's potential is worth sharing, don't hesitate to share this video with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Together we can navigate the exciting, ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, engage, and let's explore the future of crypto together. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be discussing another fascinating facet of the crypto world. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep investing. Happy crypto journey!